Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizzie and you're all most welcome to the family. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you're also free to book an appointment with me or drop me a comment below and I will respond to your questions. Remember, this channel is not just for me, it's for every single one of us to help us save money on things we do every day. I mean, like, who doesn't want to save money on things they buy every day or every month or every week and just get it a little bit cheaper? I mean, don't know about you, but I definitely do and would love to. So today, continuation of the last couple of videos, which is receipts. Now we are going to the great old shop called Primark. Primark. And this is the receipt I got for Primark. And so with this Primark receipt, on the face of it, it looks like there's nothing, there's no vouchers or anything like that you can win or money. But I also got this with it too, with my receipt. So I have my normal receipt and I also got this. And this is where you can win some gift cards from Primark. And it's £100 gift card. I'm going to try and zoom in if I can. So you can see £100. Now, with this gift card that we can win is £100. It's a monthly prize draw, it says here, for £100 gift card, because Primark would love to hear our feedback. You know, there's a survey entry code on the receipt. You need to be over 18, and all you need to do is on the receipt, this second receipt, go to the website, put in the entry code they give you, fill out your details and fill out in terms of whatever questions they ask you, respond, and guess what? You are entered into a free prize draw to win a £100 gift voucher. So who doesn't really love shopping at Primark? Nobody that I know doesn't really like shopping at Primark. Why? Because it's cheap. You get some bargains, some deals, and some of the things there are quite good quality. So, you know, why not? It's Primark, £100. I mean, I wouldn't mind having an extra £100 voucher from Primark. Don't know about you. So let's just have a quick look at their website, just see what it looks like, and yeah, take it from there. So I just, from the receipt, typed in www.tailprimark.co.uk and it's taken me to all this link thing here like this. So I'm just going to select my language, which would be English, because obviously Primark don't just operate in the UK but quite a few countries around the world. I click next. Then it's asking me for the survey code, which is on my receipt, which I'd put in there. It's on this small receipt here, remember the one I showed you all. And then I will just fill out the survey questions in terms of my experience, and then at the end I can obviously leave my details to be in with a chance of winning the monthly £100 gift card for Primark. It's as simple as that. It might sound too good to be true, but literally these are companies that are printing out receipts for you when you go inside and shop with them and just want your feedback, and they are willing to give out £100 gift cards for Primark. And the other ones we've looked at, some of them have been different values, but they're just like desperate for your feedback. So that's why they're giving out these gift cards free on a monthly basis. So they're like on their knees begging you, please give us feedback. So I mean, this only takes maybe 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. Could be in with a chance of winning £100 gift card for Primark. So who doesn't love shopping at Primark? We all do, whether we like to admit it or not, whether we think it's cheap or not. We all love shopping at Primark, even if it's for 1 or 2 bits, whether it's basic t-shirts, maybe it's shoes, jeans, bags, coats, whatever it may be. Yeah, so remember, we're trying to save money on this channel. We're trying to make our money work harder. And I believe this is part of it with this gift card that could be won on a monthly basis. So once again, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. God bless you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.